Hi, I'm Gerry from Gerry's Craft Room, and this video is part of the Winter Fairies YouTube hub with a group of lovely ladies and very talented artists, and there are some amazing prizes to win. We are all going to show how we alter boxes and organizers in this hub, and I picked the desk organizer. It comes with step-by-step pictures and the parts are numbered and it's super easy to assemble. For the parts, some are already loose, and if they are still attached, use a knife to get them out the frame. They are only attached at small points here and there. Use a knife in between the space and they will come out real easy. Here are the products I am going to use from the different companies that sponsor this hub, and I added the products I used in the description box for you, so you can go check that out if you like. I assembled the box and gave it a coat of gesso, and now I'm going to add vintage music paper with clear gesso. Both the white and clear gesso are of great quality, almost paste-like, and the white gesso even a bit thicker, and it gives great coverage even with one layer. When I think of fairies and winter, I think of flowers and greenish elements like leaves and branches, and music. In my mind, fairies sing a lot. And some tiny details like crystal and the marble deco topping, and also bright colors, and fairies go great together, as well as the light blue metallic color and some shine and shimmer. Now I don't show the complete process as I repeat things on all sides, but I show and explain the things I do one or two sides so you get the idea. By the way, if you feel inspired, I always love to see your make, so don't forget to use #Gerry'sCraftRoom when you share your work on social media. So I added the vintage music paper on all sides of the box and let it dry. I'm going to dry brush with white gesso, using a little gesso on the brush, and then let it dry again. Now I first spray the inside of the box with the three colors, and then I'm going to let it dry again. And now it's time to add the crystal and marble deco topping. I add some glue on the parts where I want the topping, and I put the box on a lid. You can put it inside the box, that will work too. So the toppings are easier to put back in the jars. And then I sprinkle on the toppings one at a time, shake off the excess, and then add the next topping. I cut some leaves and branches out of white cardstock and I glue them to the back. And then I'm going to add the toppings here too, and then I'm going to let it dry. Some flowers and leaves to the front, and these are great for texture. I will add the leaves to the little drawers too, and after drying I gave it a coat of transparent gesso. And then I add the sprays and I use the heat tool to dry. After drying I spray the other side of the drawers and let that dry too. Now to get a bit more of the winter look, I dry brush with the blue metallic paint. The organizer is dry and now I will add the sprays here too. I spray one side and then let it dry, this way the paint won't drip to the sides. I use kitchen paper to protect the inside and I use a heat tool to dry. The towel that I'm working on catches the mist so it doesn't color my complete desk. And I color all the sides this way and dry before moving on to the next. When you spray straight down like this, it's easier to prevent the paint from dripping down the sides. And now I'm going to stamp with white ink to add some texture. And to finish the background, I dry brush the whole organizer with the blue metallic paint. It brings out all elements even better and make the tiny details from the crystal and marble toppings pop more. I colored the flowers with the same paint to bring the colors together, and I'm going to put the flowers in place. And while I show the box, I will tell you about the giveaway rules. Watch, like and comment on all videos. Subscribe to all channels and the Fabrika Decoru channel. You don't have to, but I'd love for you to share this video and tag your friends. You have until December 17th. You can find all info about this hop in the description box too. I hope you liked the video, good luck and thanks for watching!